Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to Amazon Prime with another account. This is particularly useful when you need to switch between different accounts, whether you're sharing with family members or managing multiple profiles. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your current account. This step is necessary because we need to first sign out of the existing account before we can log in with a different one. After you've logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Hover your mouse over this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Sign Out. This action will log you out of your current Amazon Prime account, clearing the way for you to sign in with a different account. Now that you're signed out, you'll need to access the sign-in screen again. Hover your mouse back over the profile icon in the upper right toolbar. The drop-down menu will appear once more, and this time select Sign In. This will take you to the Amazon login page where you can enter the credentials for the account you want to switch to. On the login page, you'll see a field asking for your mobile number or email. Enter the mobile number or email associated with the account you want to log in with, then click Continue. This is the first step in Amazon's two-part login process, which helps keep your account secure. After clicking Continue, you'll be taken to the next screen where you'll need to enter your password. Type in the password for this account, then click Sign In. Once you've done this, Amazon will process your login and redirect you to the Prime Video homepage, now logged in with your new account. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a different Amazon Prime account. This straightforward process makes it easy to manage multiple accounts without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.